how to fix GTA 5 FPS drop problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just to go to here, the search bar, and type gaming, click on it, then go to this one, game mode, and turn it on. Go to Xbox bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings, then click browse. First click here and select desktop app and click browse, and then here we'll find GTA 5. Click on it, and now just click on it here, options, and you will find it like that. Just click high performance and click save. Now just close this tab and right click on your GTA 5, go to properties, compatibility, and then change settings for all users. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just enable this one, run this program as an administrator, click OK, and then OK, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.